Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Finance for Beginners. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to download or install Spendee app in your device. Spendee is a budgeting and expense tracking app designed to help you gain control of your finances. Now moving on to the video, first of all go to your Play Store or App Store. Then search Spendee. There you can see Spendee Budget and Money Tracker. Tap on it. Then press install. It might take a while to install the app depending upon your internet speed. Once the app has been installed, open Spendee Budget Tracker Money app to help you track your expenses and gain your control over finances. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.